Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the mysterious world of fault code C1130. Motor Signal 1. If you've been experiencing strange behavior from your car like rough idling, stalling, or hesitation, this code could be the culprit. In this video we'll break down what this code means, its potential causes, and how to diagnose and fix the issue. We'll cover everything from faulty sensors and wiring to problems with the motor itself. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this video will equip you with the knowledge to tackle this code head-on. So grab your tools, pop the hood, and let's get started. The fault code C1130 indicates a problem with the motor signal 1 circuit. This circuit is responsible for sending signals from the engine control unit, ECU, to the motor. When this circuit malfunctions, the motor may not receive the correct signals, which can lead to various problems, such as the motor may not start, the motor may run erratically, the motor may not run at all. There are several possible causes of code C1130. Some of the most common causes include a faulty motor, a faulty ECU, a damaged wire in the motor signal 1 circuit, a loose connection in the motor signal 1 circuit, problem with the battery. If you are experiencing code C1130, it is important to have the problem diagnosed and repaired by a qualified mechanic. Ignoring this code can lead to more serious problems with your vehicle. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. The specific symptoms of code C1130 will vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. The cost of repairing code C1130 will also vary depending on the underlying cause of the problem. In some cases, it may be possible to fix the problem yourself. However, it is always best to consult with a qualified mechanic before attempting any repairs. The most common symptom of code C1130 is a loss of power or acceleration. This is because the motor signal is not being sent to the engine control unit, ECU, which means that the engine cannot control the fuel and air mixture properly. Other symptoms may include stalling, jerking, rough idling. Check engine light illumination. To diagnose code C1130, you will need to use a scan tool to read the trouble codes from the ECU. Once you have the trouble codes, you can use a repair manual or online resource to look up the possible causes of the code. The most common causes of code C1130 include faulty motor signal sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, faulty ECU. The repair for code C1130 will depend on the underlying cause of the code. If the motor signal sensor is faulty, it will need to be replaced. If the wiring or connectors are damaged, they will need to be repaired or replaced. If the ECU is faulty, it will need to be reprogrammed or replaced. In some cases, it may be possible to clear the code by simply resetting the ECU. However, if the underlying cause of the code is not addressed, the code will likely return. If you are not comfortable diagnosing and repairing your own vehicle, you should take it to a qualified mechanic. Before you start any repairs, be sure to consult a repair manual or online resource to get specific instructions for your vehicle. Always use caution when working on your vehicle, and be sure to disconnect the battery before you start any repairs. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.